Hello kids. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Green color, dark green color, blue color, brown color, black color, violet color, sky blue color, light pink color, peacock green color, yellow color, red color, orange color. Let's draw the shape. L shape.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
Triangle.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted
Pie.
blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas
Smiley.
2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo.
Crescent.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Star.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
Red color.
Loo loo, skip to
L shape.
loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo.
L shape. Red color.
Skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my
Peacock green color.
darling.
Triangle. Triangle. Peacock green color. Orange color. Pie. 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 Orange color. Light pink color. Smiley. This shape is smiley. Light pink color. Crescent. Dark green color. Crescent.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Dark green color.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo.
Pink color.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Star.
Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo.
Star.
To my loo, my darling. Lost my
Star. Pink color.
skip to my loo.
Red color, peacock green color, orange color, light pink color, dark green color, pink color. L shape, triangle, pie, smiley, crescent, star. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.